Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your negative keyword list in your Microsoft Ads campaign? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to check your negative keyword list in Microsoft Ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing Microsoft Ads, it's important to update your negative keyword list so that way you're not paying for clicks that aren't relevant. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to check your negative keyword list for one of your campaigns, here on the left side, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu, and you want to click here on keyword. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these options here at the top, and you want to click on negative keywords. Okay, so here you can see all of the negative keywords we added in for this customer. You can see they're a private process server. So you can go ahead and just scroll through and then see if you need to add in any extra. If so, just click on this blue add button and you can easily add another negative keyword. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to check your negative keyword list in your Microsoft Ads campaign, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.